Guide to Effective Brand Marketing Strategy. Brand marketing is a crucial aspect of any business's marketing strategy. It involves creating a unique identity for your brand, communicating it effectively to your target audience, and building a strong brand image that resonates with consumers. Tips for effective brand marketing: define your brand identity. Before you can effectively market your brand, you need to have a clear understanding of what your brand stands for. Define your brand values, mission, and unique selling points to create a strong foundation for your marketing efforts. Focus on brand positioning. Determine where your brand fits in the market and how you want to be perceived by consumers. Position your brand in a way that highlights its strengths and appeals to your target audience. Utilize digital branding. In today's digital age, online branding is more important than ever. Utilize social media, your website, and other digital channels to create a strong online presence for your brand. Developing a successful brand marketing plan. Identify your target audience. Understand who your target audience is, what their needs and preferences are, and how your brand can meet those needs. Differentiate your brand. Stand out from competitors by highlighting what makes your brand unique and why customers should choose you over others. Craft your brand messaging. Develop a strong brand story that resonated with your audience and communicates your brand values effectively. Utilize marketing tools. Use a mix of marketing tools such as social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your target audience and build brand awareness. Conclusion. In conclusion, effective brand marketing is crucial for the success of any business.